In this video demonstration, we're going to be looking at how to install and correctly set up the Borland Search Services. The Borland Search Services uses Apache and Tomcat services, which will require a full installation of the Java JDK. A minimum of 1.6 is recommended. Please ensure that you have this installed and the configuration of Java Home set under your system variables. We will start off our video by installing the Borland Search Services. We'll click on our link. We will click Next through the steps. Agree to the license agreement and click Next. In this stage we'll be using the Tomcat and the Borland Search Web application. Click Next. Ensure you place the installation directory to an adequate disk drive and click Next. Please note that the default installation directory will not fall under the Borland StarTeam directory, but its own Borland directory. For example, Start, All Programs, and Borland Search. Before completing your installation, you will receive some directories which you'll need to take note of. The console, which will be the machine name, your port number, the BSS and admin, and the search, which will be again the machine name, the port number, the BSS and the search. Once you've taken note of these directories, you can continue with your installation. And click Next. And complete the installation. As mentioned at the start of this video, please ensure that you have your Java Home system variables set up for your JDK. Here is an example of how I've set mine up. Please ensure that the value is the directory of the JDK. Ensuring that the JDK is set up correctly, we can go ahead and start our Tomcat services. Let's take a look at the admin console. We will type in our address that we received earlier. Here you will find a login page. Generally, the credentials are administrator if this is the first time that you've set this up. And click Sign In. Here you'll be able to view statuses, manage your plugins, and change your password. In the next video, we're going to look at how to configure the search services to an active StarTeam database, and we'll demonstrate how the search services operates. Thanks for watching.